For fire caused by petrol, do not try to put it off by throwing water. As petrol is lighter than water, it will float over water and continue burning. And next, in the case of if your clothes are on fire, okay, you just stop, drop and roll until the fire is out. Okay, so for example, all of you see here in this picture, if your clothes are on fire, okay, so just stop, don't run, okay, and drop and then roll until the fire is out. Okay, so like this, and shout for help but don't run. Okay, so running makes fire burn faster. Because of that, don't run if your clothes are on fire. Okay, and next, if there is a fire in the building, vacate the building immediately. Go down the stairs and not use the lifts. Okay, so keep a fire extinguisher handy in case of small fires within the house. Okay, so the fire extinguisher can be used in the case of firing within the house. Okay, and call the fire bridge in the case of a big fire. Okay, is there is smoke around in your building, first you should drop down and crawl your way to exit out of the building to protect yourself. Okay, so these are the some safety rules that we should follow from fire. Okay, students, next we are going to know about safety from electricity. Okay, so we need electricity to light up our houses and run various gadgets such as radio, television, computer, grinder and oven. However, we need to be careful while handling electricity, right? Okay, so any carelessness can result in fire, electric shock. Okay, so certain basic rules can keep us safe from electricity. Okay, so now let us learn some safety rules that keep us safe from electricity. First here, do not touch electrical gadgets or switches with wet hands. Okay, don't touch electrical gadgets like television, radio, computer, etc. Okay, and switches with wet hands, and you might get an electric shock. Okay, so because of that, don't touch electrical appliances with wet hands. Okay, and do not insert anything or any object into electrical sockets. Okay, so never try to insert anything into a electrical sockets, and do not touch any loose or exposed wire. Okay, so if you see exposed wires or loose wires, ask an elders to call an electrician and get it fixed. Okay, so all electrical wires must be insulated and handled only by an adult. Do not touch these electrical wires, and do not plug too many equipments into one socket or extension cord, and do not fly kites near power lines or substations. Okay, don't fly kites near electrical installations in electrical poles. Okay, so there may be chances of what? Electric shock. And keep electrical gadgets far away from water. Okay, so wet walls and open sockets and damaged appliances. Because of that, using wet hands when touching electrical connections, such accidents generally results in electric shocks and burns. Okay, so because of that, do not keep electrical appliances near the water. Okay, so keep electrical appliances away from water. So students, in this class we have learnt safety from fire and safety from electricity. If you have any doubts, questions, ask in online session. All of you should follow given worksheet. Thank you students.